That's not a bad backdrop to have for this particular video. Of course, today I'm going to be showing you something quite different. You have your keyless entry keypad for your Chevy Traverse here, which is right behind me. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do your remote start. So we're going to go in, we're going to program that, and I'll show you how it works, some of the things that you can do after you do your remote start, and the fact that you're still going to stay secured after the vehicle is started. Let's go back to that backdrop. North Beach Plantation here in North Myrtle Beach. Very nice. And of course that center tower you see across the center there, of course they do rent that out per night. I heard it can be very expensive, but very luxurious. But back to the Chevy Traverse. So first thing we're going to do is grab our keyless entry keypads, and of course the vehicle must be locked, so we're going to go ahead and do that. All right, so your vehicle must be locked. We're going to go ahead and lock the vehicle. Grab your remote, and on your remote, you're going to, once your vehicle's locked, you're going to press lock once, then you're going to hit the restart button. There in the center, press and hold, vehicle fires up. Now here's some things to remember as your vehicle is running with the remote start. The vehicle doors will stay locked. So the vehicle is still secure. You can pull here, here, and the vehicle is running. So it's very secure. Now if somebody happens to break a window or happen to open a door and they don't have the key, therefore the vehicle will shut off. So it's going to stay completely secure as you're doing your remote start. To unlock the vehicle in this position, press and hold the center button. You can see your door unlocked there. Take it and pull. Now once you're inside, you can't just drive off, because if you don't have the key in this sense, once the door is open, the vehicle is going to shut off. But if you do happen to get inside the vehicle, once you hit the brake, the vehicle will shut off. To start to drive from here, all you're going to do is hit the start stop button once. Vehicle fires up. Now with your foot on the brake, you can take it, shift in gear, and drive off, and you're ready to drive. Once your vehicle is started up, all you got to do is take your keyless entry keypad, press your restart button in the center, and the vehicle shuts off. It's already armed and locked, so all you have to do now is just leave it. So that is a complete look at how to start and turn off your vehicle with the remote start from your keyless entry keypad. We're here at the North Beach Plantation again, showing you exactly how to do your keyless entry remote start for your 2020 Chevy Traverse.